What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with Josh, who you've never seen before, because he says that this is his first time in a video, but I think that's what they all say. So without anything else, we'll just jump right into the video then. We got another episode of From the Gallery. So we got 10 trucks loaded up on the laptop that you guys have added at customoffsets.com/ad to be featured in here. So let's jump into it. All right, so first truck, 2017 Toyota Tacoma, sitting on some American Forces, 22x12, -40 offset, NATO Terra Grappler G2s, so an all-terrain tire on a 6-inch rough country. So dude's got American Forces, but a rough country lift. So looks like he's got a grill, got a light bar, got some decals, chrome bumpers. It's not a TRD, but it is 4-wheel drive. He's got some sort of air, I wonder if that's for train horns, probably. Some LED lighting. All right, you got a number, 1 through 10?
Yeah, well, I've always been a Tacoma fan, so I'm gonna have to give it. I'm not a chrome fan wheel though. I don't like chrome, so I like the darker colors. I think the darker colors would really offset that blue on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 7.
I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I'm gonna say 6 because I also love Tacomas, but I'd really love to see a functional setup on a Tacoma. I don't know. They're a great overlanding truck. I think it'd be sweet. Went all out on wheels and then has kind of a cheaper lift kit. But the thing is, you do get lifted for a lot less money, so not a bad setup there. But $4,300 for wheels and tires and $1,000 for lift kit. So grab the next one.
All right.
2013 Ram 1500 American Forces again. Another set of Forces. Looks like color match bumpers. Very wide. Regular cab, short box.
Yeah.
You don't see many people do that anymore. Looks like he's got taillights too.
Smoked out taillights.
Some LED fog lights, some rock lights.
Purple rock lights.
Yep. I can't tell if these wheels are just dirty or if it's a brushed finish.
Or if they haven't been polished in a while.
Yeah. And the rear's lowered a little bit, so he's got some lean. All right. Got a number? Think of it in your head?
Yes.
All right,
yep.
3,
let's go with it.
2, 1, 8.
An 8.
You have to say it at the same time.
Oh, we have to say it at the same time?
Yes, that's the whole point of it.
Well.
What's your number?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Why so low?
Well, for one, I'm more into lifted trucks. 2,
It's lifted. He's got a 4-inch lift.
it's just a regular cab short box. I like the big extended cabs, lifted.
Yeah.
The stance is nice. I like the stance.
DD's super wide. I dig that. 355 40s on a 22x14. All right, so I'm usually not a huge Ram fan. I rated this higher than I probably would have normally rated Ram. But I like how clean it is with the color match bumpers and everything like that. I think it's a good wheel choice for the truck. Like, it seems to match well.
And he does have his
super wide.
toe mirrors down.
He does.
They're not flipped up.
Right, so he's got bonus
maybe I
points
should
for
give him
that.
a 6 for that.
Next one here. 2017 GMC Sierra, hardcore off-road wheels. Let's see, 26x14, so massive wheels. And Gladiator X-Comp tires, 37x13.5 on a 7.5-inch rough country. Looks like he's got some aftermarket headlights too, the like updated version.
LEDs.
Fender flares, probably bushwhacker, pocket style flares. Man, those wheels are massive.
What are those wheels? American Force?
These are hardcore off-road.
Oh.
So it's still just a cast wheel, but it's massive.
It's got the steel side steps on there.
Oh, those are very like square.
3/4 ton?
No, it's half ton.
Half ton?
1,500.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, got a number?
Yep. Okay, I got a number. What is Never fails.
We paused this broadcast for a brief interruption. Okay, so you got a number?
Yep, I got a number.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 7.5.
And a half.
Yeah.
I didn't know we could do half.
You can do a half.
7.5.
So what I don't like about it is how much black plastic is going on. I think it'd look a lot cleaner if it was color matched. And then just with the wheels being so huge, there's so much black there that then you got the black fender flares and black plastic. It just kind of starts to get too much for me. I also would maybe like to see a little smaller wheel on here. It doesn't look quite proportionate. And you can see he took a huge chunk out of his front bumper because I'm sure it rubbed like crazy. But otherwise, I like it. For the price you pay for these wheels, you get massive wheels. $4,300 for 26x14s and 37s. So.
Yeah, and silver's cool. I like silver. That's why I got 7.
Because you like silver?
Yep.
Wow, you're a lame guy. Oh my gosh. Very bright. 2011 Chevy
Fancy.
Silverado 1500. TS 544 RM, 22 by 12. Black Bear mud terrains. I've never even heard of those. And a 7-inch max track. Looks like maybe that's not a move bumper, but he's got some sort of large aftermarket front bumper on there. He's got a little bit of lean.
A little bit of
Very,
squatting going on.
very vibrant, bright red wheels.
Yeah.
No other details, so I
Front
don't know.
shackles on the bumper.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. His recovery shackle.
Colorful wheels.
All right, you got a number?
Yeah. Let's run with it.
3, 2, 1, 5.
6.
You're doing a really bad job
My timing is
saying at
way
the
off.
exact same time.
Yeah, that's
So
horrible.
we both went pretty low there.
Yeah.
I said 5 just because I can't find the theme to this truck. It's got very show
agree.
truck wheels
Yeah.
and then off-road bumper.
The wheels don't match what the utilitarian purpose of the truck possibly should be, especially
Yeah.
with that front bumper on there.
Right.
The front bumper looks heavy duty. You know, the guy's gonna pull stuff all over the place, but then he's got the bright, shiny red rim wheels on there. So, that's
Yeah,
why I went with
just
6.
can't quite find the theme. Next guy. 2015 GMC Sierra 1500, Method MR106s, 17 by 9s, but with a negative 44 offset, but you didn't know that was possible. Toy Open Country RTs, 37 by 13 and a half, and he's got a custom 4-inch lift, so it looks like there's probably Kings in there.
King coilovers.
CWD off-road long travel kit, 17 inches of wheel travel, and King dual ring.
Aftermarket fenders, like the pre-runner style fenders on
Yeah,
there.
probably fiberglass, Fiberworks fender flares.
Front and rear.
Yep, bed sides as well. Oh, that's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Wow.
She's wide.
There's some money in this.
That is all pre-runner style right there.
Aftermarket headlights as well. He looks like he's got a windshield brow tinted on there, regular tint on the side windows as well. From California.
I like the license plates. You see the
Yeah,
license plates?
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, buddy.
I like it. So he trimmed the fenders. Okay.
A lot of custom work on this one.
Tons. Long tube headers, full JL sound system. So he's got interior. I like this. So he's got interior mods plus exterior mods. Like went whole route.
Yeah.
Got a number?
Yeah, I got a number.
3, 2, 1, 10.
9.5.
9.5. I thought this one would
9.5.
get you.
I just wanted to throw in that half on there.
Okay.
Just because you did a 7.5 before. That's why.
So I went with a 10 because this thing is freaking sweet. I would love to drive this. I'd love to go out to Cali and rip through some dunes with this or the desert. And I like that it's a GMC, so you get like a nice quality interior. You get better looking headlights and stuff factory. Obviously, you can change them out, but.
And I gave it a
GMC's nice truck.
9.5. I liked everything about the truck. I like the stance. I like the wide look to it. I'm personally not a fan of the rubber that's on there. To me, they just don't look as aggressive.
You're right.
as
Like
they
I'm
could be.
surprised it's not like a BFG like Cam 3 or something like that. A little more off-road oriented because an RT is a hybrid tire, so it's like for street use and off-road use, like a blend of both. But clearly,
But I get that
It's a
if
very
you're running it a
capable
lot
truck.
on road. it's
which
just-
based on his tire wear, I'm gonna say he does drive it a lot on the road. I mean, he's parked at a regular gas station, so I think it's sweet. I definitely
pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot.
Back with another Dodge, 2010 Ram 2500, TAS 544s, 22 by 14, negative 77 offset. I think that's supposed to be negative 76 actually. And some 35-inch Furies on a 6-inch lift. So headlights, grille, winch, shackles, bumper, dual steering stabilizer, tow mirrors flipped down. Tires look slightly stretched because they're Furies and they have rounded edges. 13.5 wide. I like that. That's funny. Big old Cummins sticker on the back.
Big old fat exhaust pipe coming out the back.
Of course, you got to. It's a Cummins. Oh, his tow mirrors are up in these
Purple
photos.
rock lights on there.
Okay, got a number.
I do. Yes. See if we can get it this time.
3, 2, 1, 8. Wow, tied.
Hey, look
that
at
was pretty good.
Woo.
Went with an 8 because he's got a lot done. I think it looks really good. I guess I don't really have huge complaints other than I'd like to see a little bit wider tire on here. I think with the bumper, you should have the clearance for that. Just because you do have a 14-inch wide wheel, it would be nice to have a little bit more than a 13.5-inch tire.
Yep.
My biggest complaint. Also, too many stickers for me. It's funny, but I would take the stickers off.
Yeah.
Just my personal preference.
Yeah. And he's got some picks
Yeah.
off the road,
Yep.
which I like that too. I do like that bumper on there. It's got a pretty nice, clean look to it.
Yeah,
Doesn't
see,
stick
this
out
one
too
has
far.
a theme to it. He's got the bumpers on the front, bumpers on the
Yep.
back. You know, everything just like flows together well.
And it's coming, so you have to have the tow mirrors up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, he did it wrong in these
Yeah.
pictures. He's got them
It's kind of
down.
up and down. Yeah.
That's why it could get better scores, because Cummins should have the mirrors up. All right, another Ram for us. 2017 2500 fuel stroke 22x12s. Nino Ridge grapplers, super popular tire. That says leveling kit, but that truck looks huge. 2-inch PDS. That's what he says. That's the thing when you get like these 3/4 tons, they're already so tall.
Yeah.
Factory, you can do a lot with just a leveling kit.
Your suspension right from the factory.
Usually I'm not a fan of like multicolored wheels, but
I do
think
like
on
that
this one, I think I kind of
darker.
like it.
It's kind of got a darker
It's like a
tone
red,
to the wheels with.
black with like this red, I think it's
Yep.
red over the milling. All right,
That's pretty sharp.
number? Got one?
Yep, I got one.
3, 2, 1, 9.
7.
I think this is the highest I've ever rated a Ram,
Oh.
because I'm just usually not a big Ram fan, but black grille, black bumpers, smoked cab lights, like everything looks really good, and I haven't seen anybody pull off fuel strokes the way that this guy has, and he's got very subtle things, like the red in the wheels matches the red on the Cummins badge, and it matches his antenna, like very intentional things that I think look really well.
Yeah. And I do like the subtleness to it. It's not done like overly just extreme.
Yeah, it's not super in your face,
Yeah.
but still has some color.
Yeah. It's sharp. I like it.
Man, we haven't seen one of these in a while.
Wow.
2018, 20x12 motor metals, 6-inch rough country, and 305 55s. He's got like the ZR. Is this a ZR2? I don't think it is. Can't see, can't tell. Nope, C71. He's got like the ZR2 style grille. Got some nice headlights and taillights in there. Very simple white and black kind of look.
Make your purchase today.
Not too many stickers.
Got a number?
Yep.
Oh, this is tough.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 9.
8.
Oh, and 9.
See, when you count down, it's like 3, 2, 1, 9. It's like 3. So I'm always waiting for a little bit of a space in between that 1 and the 9.
That's why I run the show, Josh. So I went with the 9 because for a, I'm gonna say mini truck, you know, mid-size, smaller truck, I think it looks really good.
It is pretty sharp.
305 55s on a 6-inch lift on a small truck. I think everything, it seems just slightly over proportionate, which makes it look like this cool little like RC off-roader, you know, fun weekend kind of
The
thing.
contrast is always nice too with the white vehicles when you get the black and the black wheels
Yep.
and the black grills.
Kept it very clean, very
Yeah.
simple. Just the 2 colors, you know. That's why I try to stick to only 2 colors on your vehicle, because otherwise it just gets crazy when you add more.
I do like that. It's sharp.
I dig it.
Mm-hmm.
2001 Dodge Ram.
Holy smokes.
Wow. 2500. So this is a 2nd gen here, but it looks like he's got a 4th gen bumper swap. Oh my god.
Oh, there he goes. Rolling some coal. Black all over the place. Black in the road, black in the sky.
He's got a sweet wrap going on. It's like a snow camo with this diamond in it and LED cab lights.
Definitely unique.
Unique. I like it. He's got his kid. I'm assuming it's his kid. In the wheel. All right. I can handle it. Got a number?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
7.
Purchase today.
Is that what you said too?
Yep.
I didn't even hear you.
Go for it.
Okay. So one of the things I liked about it is, well, for one, that was a cute picture with the kid. You got to admit.
Yeah, you
I
might like
probably
it,
why you put
but-
that in there. You know, a little extra bonus points. But I do like the uniqueness of the wrap. I mean, it is a little bit out there, but I like when people take that extra step and do something completely different. So a little extra points for that, and those wheels are pretty nice. I do like those hostiles on there. And that is a nice photo too.
Yeah, I love these got good quality photos.
Yep.
That's nice. I like that. Same thing, very unique wrap. Just not a huge fan of the 2nd gen platform, but that's just me. I don't really have a reason for it. That's just being picky. Last on the list, got a nice grocery getter. 2007 Chevy Tahoe, OE performance wheels, 22x9s. Pretty standard size tire, 285/45, and it's on a Beltec lowering kit. So 2 inches in the front, 4 inches in the rear on the Tahoe. So basically OEM replica wheels, slam this Tahoe down, which is interesting because he lives clearly in a mountainous environment.
Right.
Wouldn't have expected a lowered vehicle, but
we don't know if he actually lives there or maybe he was just on vacation.
I guess.
Took some pictures there. It's a nice backdrop.
Good photos nonetheless. It does have 10 millimeter spacers on the rear just to pull that out. Oh my god.
Oh, it is just.
You got a number for this thing?
Sure. Yeah, let's go with it.
3, 2, 1, 9.5. 5?
A 9.5?
Yes. Okay. So he would have a 10 if he just had not OEM replicas.
So you like the lower trucks?
Well, I don't know.
SUVs?
I just think on a Tahoe, this is just it's really clean looking. This would be a great daily driver.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, I'd prefer 4-wheel drive. I'd prefer not OEM replicas, but I do kind of dig its style. I could get down with this.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want this to be my only vehicle.
Yeah. I just get a little confused when trucks are lowered.
Yeah. So Josh has an International Scout, and what do you have, like 40-inch tires?
Yeah, 40-inch tires. Yeah.
He's one of those off-road guys. Doesn't like the bro-dozers.
They're okay. I won't put them down.
All right, so that's it. Those are our ratings for the most recent trucks from the gallery that Taylor picked out from us. She sits in the back. So if you guys want your vehicle featured, first off, it has to be in the gallery, which is how we figure out what fits your vehicles and what you can use to figure out what fits your vehicles. So you can add your truck at customoffsets.com/add. And then if you're just trying to figure out what fits, you head up to customoffsets.com/gallery. There's like 60,000 trucks in there now with 1.5 billion pictures. Yes, that's a real number. So you can figure out exactly what fits your truck with offset, backspacing, all that jazz is in there. And wheels, tire suspensions, we're your people. Drop in the comments below. Peace.